Good morning everyone. Class 12 subject business study chapter 11. Today we will start a topic pricing. So how to fix a price of product. Okay. So price is a main element regarding customer point of view. Okay. So price is main element regarding customer point of view. So price means money value to be charged. So main heading is concept of pricing. Okay, concept of pricing. So price means the money value to be charged. Price means the money value to be charged. Price means the money value to be charged from the customer for a product or services. From the customer for a product or services clear. So price means the value to be charged from the customers for a product or services. Okay. So pricing play an important role regarding product demand. Product demands of following factors are affecting pricing policy. So factors affect pricing. Factors affect pricing decision. Okay. So following factors consider in this series: pricing determination, point number first, cost of product. Cost of product. So point number first, cost of product is directly affect the consumer demand. If a product cost satisfy the consumer needs and wants, so he can easily purchase this product. Okay. Second, utility and demand of product. Point number 2, utility and demand of product. So consumption of product is directly affect the utility and demand of product. Okay. Next point number 3, extent of competition in the market. Point number 3, extent in the competition of market. So market competition directly affect product pricing. Yeah, substitute product are available regarding this product, so affect the product price. Next, government and legal regulation. So point number 4, government rules, government rules and regulation. Okay, so government policy directly affect business enterprises and cost of product. Clear? Next point, pricing objective. Point number 5, pricing objectives. So pricing objectives play an important role regarding product sale. If a product price is reasonable, so product demand is directly increased by customer side. Next point, marketing tools. Point number 6, marketing tools. So marketing tools include product price, place, product price, place, promotion and physical evidence. Okay. Point number next, types of customer. Point number 7, types of customers. So different types of customers are available in market and different demands regarding products. Okay. So 5 to 7 pointer include factors affecting pricing determination. So point number 1, cost of product. Point number 2, utility and demand of product. Point number 3, extent and competition of market. Point number 4, government rules and regulations. So government policies are directly affect the product demand and supply. Pricing objectives, marketing tools, product price, place, promotion, physical evidence and process. And last point is point number 7, types of customers. Okay.